Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use Google News to stay informed on current events. Get ready to be up to date on what's happening around the world. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and search for www.google.com and then type in the search bar Google News. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This is your go-to source for the latest news. Once you're on the Google News homepage, you'll see a selection of top stories from various sources. These headlines cover a wide range of topics, from politics to technology and everything in between. Now, we will click the World tab. We can then see news articles from around the globe. So click on any headline to read the full article. Google News will give you its brief summary, and if you want more details, simply click full coverage to see multiple sources covering the same story. And that's it. You now know how to use Google News to stay informed on current events. From global affairs to local stories, staying updated has never been this easy. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Google News to stay informed on current events. See you on my next video.